Is your Wascomat washer refusing to start or stopping because the door won't lock properly? This is the 438956101, new original black door lock version B for Wascomat, Electrolux, and Laundrylux machines. It's a genuine door lock control with a black sealed housing and yellow actuator button. Designed for machines upgraded with their 47299-1372 upgrade kit. It fits most Wascomat Generation 6 washers, including W620, W630, W640, W655, and more. Built for safety, reliability, and consistent operation in high-traffic environments. Ideal for laundromats, multi-housing, and on-premise laundry rooms. Order the 438956101 today from lalaundry.com, your trusted commercial laundry parts distributor.